How to view YouTube comment history on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, navigate to the YouTube website. Now, go ahead and tap on the bottom left icon as shown. Then, tap on the three dots icon. From the page menu, select Request Desktop Website. Your page will now reload into the desktop version of YouTube. Now, go to the top left corner and tap on the three-line menu icon. From the list of options, go to History. You will then be taken to the Watch History page. On the right panel, tap on Comments under the Manage All History section. You will now be taken to the YouTube Comments page. From this page, you can view all of your comment history. Following these steps, you can easily view your comment history on YouTube on an iPhone.